Alright, here's something that needs to be worked on right away. I'm getting tired of looking at it. This is the landfill right here for Sierra Blanca, Texas. A little ghost town. A lot of people live outside of town in the desert like me. Every landfill I've ever seen had a 20-foot high fence with netting, so trash stayed inside of the landfill. Well, out here, we don't have that. So, it just blows all over the place. And it's just a total nightmare. Wait till you see how bad it is down here. It's totally insane. It's like a plastic explosion happened. This is the side where the landfill is. This side is not the landfill. This stuff is supposed to be in the landfill on the other side of the street. Wait till you see this. Hold on. Just completely filled the fucking bushes. Damn it. I'm trying not to use those words. Anyways, this stuff makes me angry. The whole road is trashed. It's both sides. Well, hopefully something gets done about it. Maybe this video will help.